Good morning, traders. This is an update video. Got a lot of things to go over. We're going to go over this week in day trading. I'll show you my spreadsheet, talk about the YouTube channel, also my Facebook trading group, and my SPLG swing trade with my Chase account. And we're going to start there because the Chase app loves to sign you out after a minute or two. So far I'm up $6.40 on this trade, which is good because it's only about, I don't know, $225 or something invested in this, so it's almost up 3% already. And yeah, that doesn't sound like a lot, but I've been busting my butt day trading all week, and I'm only up 1%. So sometimes these swing trades, when they're done properly, are just nice, easy, low risk and low stress trades that are just working for you in the background. The only thing I've done is every single day I've updated my stop loss, and I'll show you how I do that. Well, basically, I'll show you the idea behind it. So every day that SPLG closes higher, well, I guess even if it closed lower, it has closed higher. I entered right here on this candle, and you can see that it's just run up since then. And so basically, I follow this 50 MA line, and I update my stop loss every single day. So yesterday it closed, when it closed, the 50 MA line was at 43.82. So I upped my stop loss to 43.81, basically 1 cent below that. That way, if it does something weird, which I don't expect it to do, but comes down and bounces off of that 50 MA, it doesn't stop me out. And that's the plan long term, is I'm just going to follow that 50 MA line, and whenever the stock comes back down to it, that's when the trade will be over. And you could see that that's worked pretty well historically on this thing. Like the last entry was right here, and so that would have been around, let's see, the high around 38.74 ideally, and then you would have been stopped out over here at 43.61. So 43 and 38, so about a $5 per share gain, and not a very long period. That's January 30th essentially, and this is the beginning of November, so about 3 months. So that's not bad, and at $5, that's about more than a 10% move. So, and you're not really doing anything other than just checking on the stock periodically. So to get 10% in 3 months is awesome. I mean, try getting 10% even in a year and a bank account. You're never going to do that. Maybe 1%. So hopefully this does another 10% move. And if it does, I'm going to keep doing it. I also am watching SPXL for the next entry. It essentially follows the same pattern. So next time I might take a trade on XPSL. We'll see. Otherwise, I'll just stick with SPLG because I know it seems like it's going to work out pretty well. So that's that trade. And then let's talk about the YouTube channel real quick. So we're up to 610 subscribers. So I want to say thank you very much for all the subs and all the views. The comments are great. I really enjoy making these videos and interacting with other traders. And basically, at the beginning of the year, I was at 300 subscribers, so we've essentially doubled since then in almost just a month. So that's pretty cool. And the Facebook trading group page, which I don't talk about a lot because I really have no agenda with the YouTube page or the Facebook trading page. This is all just to really help me as a trader and share what I learned with you guys, because I would have found this really helpful when I was starting. But the main idea behind the Facebook trading group is a place for me to share my documents very easily, like my spreadsheet, my spreadsheet, my trading plan, my 2R calculator, all that stuff is available for you. Of course, there's the discussion section where I and other traders share, what's going on with Webull and our trades and P&L and all that kind of stuff. So it's just a great place so far with a lot of like-minded traders that are sharing everything that we experience and learn trading the stock market. So if you want to join that, go right ahead and you'll have access to all that stuff. And lastly, we'll go over the day trading for the week, which has been a bit of a roller coaster. And we're ending the week green. I debated whether or not I wanted to trade today. Yesterday, I was thinking about whether or not I wanted to trade today, and I didn't. You can see I have no orders today. My P&L is 0. And basically, the reason why I was debating was because I'm green on the week, But like I said, it's been a bit of a roller coaster ride. And you can see here that I, peaked on Tuesday basically, and then was just about break even on Wednesday, and then Thursday I gave back about half of the profits for the week because all 3 trades that I took failed. So I did everything, to my plan. So it wasn't a matter of me not following my plan or my strategy. It just didn't work out that day, and that's going to happen. And that's why I have things in place like the 3 strikes you're out rule. And that's why I trade to 2R, is because even, if I have only maybe a 40% win rate, I'm still going to be in the green trading 2R because it's a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So this is after 3 failed trades. I was down 562, and these are single trades. On these days, these were both just 1 trade per day, up 376, up 842 on a single trade. And here it took me 3 losses to get to that number. This day here, that was 2 losses and 1 win. So let's look at, and then within Webull, you can see that here. Let me see what was going on with this stuff. So this is, the one single trade, a single trade. I think this was 2 trades, 1 loser and 1 winner, or 2 losers and 1 winner. And this was 3 losers right here. And I believe this is 2. I mean, it's all on my spreadsheet as well. Okay, so no, VC, that was 1 loss, it looks like. That doesn't make a lot of sense. But, oh, no, no, it does. All right, sorry about that. So that's it. I think we've gone over everything, and we're going to start off the Monday green doing the exact same thing. I haven't changed the trading plan at all. I've just added a couple of notes and reminders to it, but trading the same plan that I started with this month. I think it's working out, and it's based off of what I've been doing for the past 3 months, which every time I follow the plan exactly, I always end up green over time, and it's only when I've broken the plan or the strategy that I've ended up red for a week or a month or something like that. So ending the week green here, and starting off next week green, and sticking to the plan and the strategy as always. And that's pretty much it. So let me know what you think about this, and we'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend, and always follow your trading plan, honor your profit target, and always take your stop losses. Take care.